If you've ever struggled to keep track of your follow-ups after logging calls, emails, or meetings in HubSpot, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create follow-up tasks right as you're logging an activity on a record. By the end, you'll be able to streamline your workflow in HubSpot, never miss an important next step, and stay totally on top of your deals and contacts. Let's jump straight in so you can see how quick and effective this can be. First, head over to the specific record you're working on. That could be a contact, a company, or a deal, whichever you need at the moment. To get there, just navigate through HubSpot's main dashboard and search for or click on the record you want to update. If you're managing multiple deals or clients, this step is crucial because it ensures any follow-up is tied to the right place, keeping your CRM organized and actionable. Once you're on your chosen record, take a look at the left-hand panel. You'll notice several icons to log different kinds of activities: a phone for calls, an envelope for emails, and a calendar for meetings. Choose the type that matches the interaction you're logging. For example, if you just got off a call with a potential customer, click the phone icon. This keeps your activity history clear and helps you quickly find relevant details later. Now, fill out the specifics for your activity. Take a moment to jot down any useful notes from your conversation, the outcome. Maybe you booked a demo, answered a critical question, or agreed to check in again next week. The more detail you add here, the more context you'll have in the future, which is super helpful if you're juggling lots of interactions. Don't hesitate to include those little reminders like client mentioned year-end budget concerns. These can be a lifesaver. And here's the key part. Right at the bottom of the activity editor, you'll see a checkbox labeled Create a To-Do. If you're using the mobile app, it might be called Task Follow-Up. Same feature, just a slightly different label. This box is your secret weapon. By checking it, you're telling HubSpot to immediately generate a follow-up task, so nothing slips through the cracks. If you're logging on the go, don't worry if the option looks a little different. It's designed to be easy and flexible wherever you're working. Once you check that box, several additional fields will pop up. Let's go through them quickly. First, task type. You can pick call, email, or just plain to do, depending on what you need to do next. Pick what makes the most sense for your workflow. Then, set a due date and even the exact time. This is especially important if you want reminders to pop up at the right moment. Next, fill in the title for the task, set the priority if it's urgent, and assign it either to yourself or a teammate. This helps ensure everyone knows who owns the next step, so follow-ups don't get missed. Last, once everything is set, click Log Activity, Save Note, or Send, depending on if you're logging a call, a meeting, or an email. This crucial click ties both your activity and the new task together, updating HubSpot instantly. Sometimes it'll take a few seconds to sync, especially if your notes are detailed, so don't worry if it's not immediate. And that's it. By following these steps, you make sure every conversation or meeting turns into real, trackable next actions. It's a small habit, but it makes a huge difference in staying organized and building better relationships. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a HubSpot workflow you want me to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching.